Hi everyone. Welcome back to SpeakUp English. Learn from zero. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video, and turn on the bell so you never miss our English lessons. This channel helps beginners speak English naturally and confidently, step by step. Are you ready for today's lesson?
Hi everyone. Today we're talking about school life. We'll learn how to meet teachers and friends, greet people, and have short, natural conversations at school.
When you arrive at school in the morning, you usually greet your classmates. John, show us a natural greeting.
Sure. If I see my friend, I can say, "Hey, Emma. Good morning. How's it going?"
Great. And Emma might reply, "Good morning, John. I'm good, thanks. How about you?"
If it's someone you don't know well, keep it simple. Good morning. Or, "Hi. How are you today?"
If there's a new student in class, be friendly and welcoming. I would say, "Hi, are you new here? I'm Anna."
The new student might answer, "Yes, I'm new. My name is Lisa."
Then continue. "Nice to meet you, Lisa. Which class are you in?"
You can also ask, "Where are you from?" Or, "Do you need any help?"
Some students feel shy when speaking to teachers.
Don't worry. Use simple, polite expressions. In the morning, say, "Good morning, Miss Anna."
The teacher may reply, "Good morning, John. How are you today?"
If you want to ask something, say, "Excuse me, Miss Anna, can I ask you something?" Or, "Could you please explain this again?"
If you didn't understand, say, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand. Could you say that again, please?"
Let's practice.
"Excuse me, Miss Anna. I'm having trouble with this exercise. Could you help me?"
Of course, John. Which part is difficult for you?
"I don't understand question number 3.
No problem. Let me explain it step by step.
Break time is perfect for small talk. John, give us an example.
You can ask, "What are you doing this weekend?" Or, "Did you watch the football match last night?"
Or, what do you usually do during lunch break?
You can answer, "I usually eat with my friends in the cafeteria." Or, "Sometimes I relax and listen to music."
When school ends, say goodbye. To friends, see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Or, bye. Take care.
To teachers, "Thank you, Miss Anna. See you tomorrow." Today, we learned how to greet friends, talk to new classmates, speak politely to teachers, and make small talk at school.
Practice these lines with your friends or practice in front of a mirror.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support helps us create more lessons for English learners around the world.
Comment below. Which part of school life do you want to learn next? Lunchtime? Group projects? Clubs?
See you in the next lesson. Bye.